Well, it's almost been a year since a tornado outbreak left behind a trail of damage across Arkansas. It's a day that the people of Wynne, Arkansas will never forget. 4 people there lost their lives and dozens more were seriously hurt. Students, staff, and the community gathered to look back. But as Rebecca Brown found out, people at Wynne High School marked a hope-filled future.
We're going to come out of this and we're going to do it together.
Those were the words from the Wynne superintendent a year ago after the high school was destroyed by an EF3 tornado. And with those words, it's pushing a community forward.
Our staff's been resilient, our kids have been resilient, and this community has been absolute amazing. Couldn't imagine being in another community personally. Going through this.
The last year has been a tough one for students at Wynne High School, but the sweet sounds of construction and the support of a community is driving force behind Dr. Moore's plan to recovery.
Best case scenario, we could possibly start turning dirt over there June. Worst case, it could be mid to late September. And then after that, it's a 24-month project. We are realistically, we're probably looking at a January of 27 to be able to transition our high school kids over.
While the debris is cleared and things are starting to move forward, Dr. Moore says there is some underground damage that still needs to be fixed.
They're rerouting sewage, which is about $500,000 worth of damage we didn't know existed. Then just, logistically, when you move this many kids, you really don't know what you don't know. And so we're just kind of learning as we go.
For junior Michelle Mercado, it's a dream she can't wait to see become a reality.
No one thought that we'd be here less than a year of the tornado and settled in and going to class normally, arriving normally, leaving normally, going through our sports seasons normally.
It's not your typical teenage life losing your home and school to a tornado, but Michelle says it's what made her the person she is today.
I would just tell myself a year ago today, or from the tornado, that everything would be fine. Everything would turn out fine.